Hello everyone, this is Pragati. I'm studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today's subject is Digital Design and Computer Organization. Topic is Introduction to Operating System. Now let me see the Introduction to Operating Systems. Operating system. What is an operating system? Computer system is equal to hardware plus software, and software is equal to application software plus system software, and operating system is an system software that acts as an intermediate interface between a user of a computer and the computer hardware. Operating system goals: execute user program and make solving user problem easier. Make the computer software conversion to use the computer hardware in an effective. The structure of computer system. Accessing computer resource is divided into layers. Each layer is isolated and only interacted directly with the layer below or above it. If we install a new hardware device, no need to change anything about the user applications. However, you do need to make changes to the operating system. You need to install the device drives that the operating system will use to control the new device. If we install a new software application, we need to make any changes to use hardware, but we need to make sure the application is supported by the operating system. User will need to learn how to use the new application. If we change the operating system, need to make sure that both applications and hardware will compatible with the new operating system. Now in the figure we can see user and then application, then software, uh, no, sorry, operating system, then hardware. This is the computer architect diagram of it represent. Now let me see the this CPU and about CPU and RAM. CPU, Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of your computer. It performs all of the calculations. In order to do its job, the CPU needs commands to perform and date to work with. The instructions and data travels to and from the CPU on the system bus. The operating system provides rules for how that information get backward and front and how it will be used by the CPU. Next, we see the RAM. Random access memory. This is like a desk or a workspace where your computer temporarily stores all of the information and instructions that it is currently using. Each RAM chip contains millions of address spaces. Each address spaces is the same size and has its own unique identity number. The operating system provides the rules for using this memory space and control storage and retrieval of information from RAM. Device for RAM chip is included with the operating system. Functions of operating system: process management, user interface, security and production, input output management, file management, memory management. These are all the functions of operating systems. Types of operating systems: batch operating systems, multi-programming operating system, time-sharing operating system, multi-processing operating system, distributed operating system, network operating system, real-time operating system. First one, batch operating system. The user of this type of operating system does not interact with the computer directly. Each user prepares with job on an offline device like punch card and submit it to the computer operator. There is an operator which takes similar, having the same requirements. And next, multi-programming operating system. Now this type of operating system is used to execute more than one job simultaneously by a single processor. It increases CPU utilization by organizing jobs on the CPU always as one job to execute. Multi-programming operating systems use the machines of job scheduling and computer scheduling. And next, time sharing operating systems. Each task in which some time to execute so that all the tasks work smoothly. These systems are also known as multitasking systems. The task can be formed a single user or different user also. The time that each task gets to execute it called quantum. After this time interval is over, OS switch over to the next task. Next one, multi-programming system. Multiprocessor operating system, or also known as parallel OS or tightly coupled OS. Such operating systems have more than one process in close communication that sharing the computer bus, the clock, and sometimes memory and prepare devices. It executes multiple jobs at the same time and takes the processing faster. And next one is distribute operating system. Various autonomous interconnected computers communicates with each other using a shared communication network. Independent systems process their own memory unit and CPU. These are referred to as loosely coupled system. Example, locus and dices. Next one is network operating system. This system runs on a server and provide the capability to manage data, users, groups, security applications, and other networking functions. These types of operating system also share access of files, printers, security applications, and other networking functions over a small private network. Private network. The other computers are called client computers, and each computer that connects to a network service must be running software designed to request a specific service known as tightly coupled system. Next is real-time operating system. This type of operating systems serves real-time system. The time interval required to process and respond to input in very small. This in this time interval is called response time. Real-time systems are used when when there are time requirements that are very strict, like missile system, air transfers, control system, robots, etc. Next, embedded operating system. An embedded operating system is one that it is built into the circuitry of an electronic device. Embedded operating systems are now found in automobile, barcode, scanners, cell phone, medical equipment, and personal digital assessment. The most popular embedded operating system for consumer production, such as PDAS, includes the following: Windows XP embedded, Windows CE Neat. It support wireless communication, multimedia, and web browsing. It also for the use of smaller variants of Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook. Palm OS. It is the standard operating system for Palm brand PDS as well as other property handled device. Symbian OS found in smart cell phone from Nokia and Sony. Thank you.